Hi, my name is Shraddha Chauhan.
And my name is Samir Chauhan.
And we're located in Los Angeles, California. The kitchen was just very outdated and kind of falling apart. Some of the design choices were also questionable. The bathroom was also very outdated. It was a tub and we wanted a shower. We wanted to make it feel a little brighter since it was pretty narrow and small and it's the master bathroom.
Yeah, we chose Green Renovation Group because they, compared to all the other contractors, provided a level of detail and level of service that we didn't see with everyone else. So just when David from Green Renovations Group came in, his attention to detail for the things that we wanted, asking us questions on how we want things done, and actually giving us information about what is possible, gave us a lot of hope and aspirations that this will turn out the way that we want it to.
David was seamless throughout the entire process of that. We didn't have to ask ever about them. They were always done. There was always inspectors coming at timely times. And we, at the end, ended up with all the documents, which is great, and they're all signed, and we got to get kind of like a hand-holding experience through it to have everything explained to us. It's really wonderful. We have been living in it for a week or two now properly, and it's been exactly what we wanted. It's made living in it so easy because everything was done so well. We definitely recommend Green Renovation Group. They have been so wonderful. We would definitely tell any of our friends and family to use them in the future. I just want to say thank you so much to Green Renovation Group, to David, to Marina, and to just everyone who really helped along in the process.